Hello people, I wanted to publish important video tutorial because I forgotten about something to mention. Something which is to do with when you duplicate your sketch. Oh no, there is one error when you try to duplicate sketch. It is okay when you duplicate the drawing like that. But I forgotten to mention something. When you go back to one of the frames and you try to do that, if you get that error, you can, what you should do, you could make bigger space. You select, you hold by left mouse button and you move it. Do you have empty gap between frames? You can duplicate your drawing. And you can still select this and you can move it. And now we have been able to duplicate one of the drawing. It is frame 13. I duplicated frame 13. So we can save the scene. Oh, come on, OpenToonz. Why are you saving slow? It should save in a minute. Sometimes I don't really have any delays, people, but I'm a little bit worried about now. Oh, now I saved, but you had better to use option command when you save. Revert scene. This operation can be useful when you work with multiple frames. Because this program save project very different when you compare to Krita. I hope you like my video tutorial. See you guys.